Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are unable to turn off Do Not Disturb and because of this your phone is always on silent mode and if anybody send you a text or call you are not getting notification or the sender get your phone is on silent or power off. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch the control center and tap and hold the half moon. After that you will get this menu. Here we have to turn off the do not disturb. This is the temporary solution. After that what we have to do, we have to go to settings. Here we have to tap on focus and tap do not disturb. Here you have to check if you have any schedule, tap on it and delete the automation. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then go back to settings, general, software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. After updating, go back to settings and general and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. Here one thing more we have to keep in mind, we have to make sure that the iPhone battery is charged up to 80%. What we have to do, go back to settings and turn off the Bluetooth. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. That's it. Hopefully friends you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.